Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is an ideal option for beginners and kids, offering an easy and fun way to get into drone flying. This foldable quadcopter is compact and portable, with a carrying case included for easy storage and transport. The drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, delivering clear and high-quality footage, perfect for capturing aerial views during flights. It also supports FPV, first-person view, allowing you to see the live video feed from the camera directly on your mobile device. For ease of use, this drone features voice gesture control, enabling hands-free operation. It also includes one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple to start and finish a flight with a single press of a button, which is perfect for beginners who may be intimidated by more complex controls. The optical flow positioning system enhances stability, helping the drone hover steadily and perform smoother maneuvers. The drone also supports exciting flight features such as 360 degrees flips and waypoint fly, allowing you to plot specific flight paths for the drone to follow, adding an element of automation and enhancing the overall flying experience. Whether you're looking to take pictures, record videos, or simply have fun with its aerial tricks, this drone delivers a variety of flight modes and features for both entertainment and learning. With a user-friendly interface, stable performance, and fun flight features, the drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a great choice for beginners and kids looking to explore drone flying. The inclusion of a carrying case and easy-to-use controls makes it a convenient and enjoyable option for anyone new to the world of drones. Number 2. The mini drone with camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly quadcopter that offers a range of features for both adults and kids. Equipped with a 1080p FPV camera, it delivers clear and high-quality video footage, perfect for capturing memorable moments from the sky. The drone supports first-person view, FPV, allowing users to stream real-time video directly to their mobile devices for an immersive flying experience. One of the standout features of this drone is its stable altitude hold, which ensures the drone maintains a consistent height during flight, providing a smooth and steady flight experience. This feature is especially helpful for beginners, as it makes controlling the drone easier and more intuitive. The gravity control function adds another layer of ease by allowing users to control the drone's direction by tilting their phone, creating a more interactive flying experience. For added fun and control, the drone also includes trajectory flight, which enables users to draw a flight path on their device, and the drone will automatically follow it, adding an element of automation to your flight. The 90 degrees adjustable lens allows you to change the camera angle, giving you flexibility in capturing different perspectives during your flight. The drone features one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple to start and end your flight with the press of a button. It comes with 2 batteries, allowing for longer flight sessions without needing to recharge. Overall, the mini drone with camera offers a fantastic combination of features, stability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both adults and kids looking for a fun, interactive, and user-friendly drone experience. Number 3. The drone with camera is a feature-packed, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for both kids and adults. It comes equipped with a 2K HD FPV camera, delivering sharp and clear video quality, perfect for capturing aerial shots and videos. The first-person view, FPV, feature allows you to enjoy live video streaming directly to your mobile device for a more immersive flying experience. This drone is powered by a brushless motor, ensuring quieter, more efficient flights with less maintenance compared to traditional motors. It also includes altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a stable height during flight, providing smooth and steady performance ideal for beginners still learning to control the drone. The gesture selfie function adds a fun and convenient way to capture photos or videos, simply by making gestures in front of the camera, while the one-key takeoff and landing feature makes starting and finishing flights incredibly easy with just a single press of a button. For more dynamic flying, the drone supports 3D flips, allowing users to perform exciting aerial tricks with ease. It also features waypoint fly, enabling you to draw a flight path on your phone, and the drone will automatically follow it, adding an element of automated flying to your experience. This mini drone is foldable, making it highly portable and easy to carry. It comes with 2 batteries, allowing for extended flight times without frequent recharging. Overall, the drone with camera combines stability, ease of use, and exciting features, making it an excellent choice for kids, beginners, or anyone looking to explore drone flying with a user-friendly and versatile device. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera is a fun and user-friendly quadcopter designed for both beginners and kids. It features a 1080p HD camera, providing clear and detailed video and photos, perfect for capturing exciting aerial footage. The first-person view, FPV, feature allows users to stream live video directly to their mobile device, enhancing the flying experience. This drone is equipped with voice control, allowing users to command the drone using simple voice commands, which adds an interactive element to the flight. The gesture selfie function lets you take photos or videos with a hand gesture, making it easy to capture moments without needing to touch the controls. Additionally, the altitude hold feature ensures the drone remains at a stable height during flight, making it easier to control and fly smoothly, especially for beginners. For added fun, the drone supports 3D flips, enabling users to perform aerial stunts with the press of a button. The one-key start and stop feature makes it incredibly easy to launch and land the drone, making it ideal for new drone pilots. The drone is foldable, which makes it compact and portable, perfect for taking on the go. It also comes with 2 batteries, allowing for extended flying sessions and reducing downtime while the batteries recharge. Designed with both boys and girls in mind, this drone combines ease of use, exciting features, and stable flight performance, making it an excellent choice for young users and beginners looking for a fun, safe, and educational introduction to drone flying. Number 5. The mini drone with camera is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for both adults and beginners. It features a 1080p HD FPV camera, offering high-definition video and photo capabilities, perfect for capturing crisp aerial footage. With first-person view, FPV, users can stream real-time video directly to their mobile devices, making the flying experience more immersive and engaging. This drone is equipped with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to change the camera angle and capture a variety of perspectives during flight. The foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to store, and it comes with a carrying case, ensuring convenient transportation and protection when not in use. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the flying process, enabling users to start and stop the drone with a single button. The altitude hold function keeps the drone stable at a consistent height, making it easier to control and maintain steady footage, especially for beginners. For added fun, the drone supports 360 degrees flips, enabling users to perform exciting aerial tricks at the push of a button. It also comes with 2 batteries, allowing for extended flight times without the need for frequent recharges. This mini drone is an excellent gift for both adults and beginners, offering a great combination of ease of use, fun features, and portability. Whether you're looking for a drone for casual flying or capturing memorable moments from the sky, this drone provides a fantastic entry point into the world of drone flying.